Alright, today could be time for Zippo Saturday. So let's take a look at this new one. Now it arrived in the normal Zippo black box. And it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And it says Joker playing card design with the idiotic P65 warning. Zippo Manufacturing Company is in Bradford, PA on Barbour Street. So let's take a look at this one. And this one came in a special little box. It's a premium Zippo, and you can see the little mirrors on the right, the left, and on top. There it says Made in USA. Now I do have several Zippo Jokers, like this one, a bit different. And this one very similar, except for the case. I probably have a half dozen Jokers somewhere around. So the case is playing cards, clubs, diamonds, spades, hearts. It's got that design all the way around. And this Zippo was made in E of 24, that's this year, which is May. You can see it's nicely stamped, really good stampings on this. Brass body, really good sound, fires up nice. Let's do a drop test, a lit drop test. Stay lit out of camera. Let's try it again. There we go. Zippos pass the lit drop test just about every time. Now let's see what a fully loaded Zippo weighs. Fully loaded Zippo weighs 2.2 ounces. So that is the new Zippo with the card design. Quite colorful, excellent addition to anyone's collection. And it definitely deserves the little cowbell. Knuckle bump.